Hi friends, let's solve this tricky math problem. 9 times 7 goes first. Here's a math trick. You have 10 numbers, you drop the 7th number, you have 63. So the answer is 63. Next, I drop 6 minus divided by 6 minus 5 equals. And 63 divided by 6 goes first. Notice that I can break down 63 divided by 6 further. So I'll write 63 into two parts. So 60 plus 3 equals 63. And 3 plus 3 equals 6. I know that 20 times 3 is 60. 20, 40, 60, right? So that was easy. So 20, you can fit 3 into 60 20 times. And you can fit 3 into 3 just one time. So the numerator is 21 over, and I know I can fit 3 into 6 twice, right? These two 3's can fit into 6 twice, so the denominator is 2. Next, I turn the other numbers into fractions, and don't forget to write in 21 over 2. So drop the 6, turn it into a fraction, 6 over 1, minus 21 over 2, minus, turn the 5 into a fraction, 5 over 1. And notice that I am subtracting fractions, and I start from left to right, not right to left. So notice the denominators are different, so I will use the butterfly method. So here are the wings, and you multiply what's inside the wings and then write the results above the antennas. And the denominator, the body, gives us the denominator, right? 1 times 2 is 2. Don't forget, the body gives you the denominator. And next, let's figure out the numerator. So 6 times 2 is 12. And 1 times 21 is 21. And now I can subtract. So 12 minus 21, just turn those numbers around. So I know the result is going to be negative. So 21 minus 12 is a negative 9, right? So I write negative 9 as the numerator. Next, I erase all this for space and write larger on the board with a different color. So negative 9 over 2 minus 5 over 1 equals. And notice again, the denominators are different, so I'll use the butterfly method again. So I draw the wings again, and we multiply what's inside the wings. Don't forget the body. The body gives us the denominator. So 2 times 1 is 2. So our answer is on the right side of the board. And negative 9 times 1 is negative 9. And 2 times 5 is 10. And next, I subtract those two numbers, negative 9 minus 10. So I rewrite it like this, negative 9 plus, I change subtraction to addition. And lastly, positive 10 to negative 10. And then just add them both and keep the same sign. So that is negative 19. So the numerator is negative 19. And yeah, that's an improper fraction answer, negative 19 over 2. Let's figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer, because this is an improper fraction answer, using long division. It's simple, it's elementary, 3rd, 4th, 5th grade elementary math. And here is the long division symbol. And I can fit, well, you can fit 2 into 19 how many times? Let me just write 19, that's the dividend, and the 2 is the divisor. You can fit 2 into 19 8 times, right? No, 9 times. Because 9 times 2 is 18. That's the closest we'll get to 19. Because 8 will be 16. 8 times 2 is 16. So 19 minus 18 is 1. So our mixed number answer, the whole number, 9. The remainder is 1 that goes above the fraction bar, and then 2 goes below the fraction bar. And the decimal answer is 9.5. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I forgot the negative. So it's -9, 1 over 2, -9.5, and your improper fraction answer, -19 over 2. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you got the right answer, please hit that like button. And see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.